Welcome back to Bike Plus, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated automotive comebacks of the decade, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. An icon reborn with modern engineering, this car is not just a nod to nostalgia but a serious contender in today's sedan market. A legendary comeback. The Hindustan Ambassador has always held a special place in Indian automotive history. Once known as the King of Indian Roads, it disappeared from the scene in the mid-2010s. Now, in 2025, it's back with the 1800 ISZ badge, carrying forward its legacy with fresh updates, both inside and out, design and exterior upgrades. While the 2025 Ambassador retains its classic silhouette, it's been thoroughly modernized. LED headlamps, a sleeker chrome grille, and alloy wheels bring it in line with contemporary expectations. The body structure has been refined to meet current safety standards, yet it hasn't lost that unmistakable Ambassador charm. Engine and performance. At the heart of the new model is an 1,800 cubic centimeters ISZ petrol engine, a modern take on the reliable Isuzu powertrain. This BS6 compliant unit delivers improved mileage, reduced emissions, and smoother performance. It's paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox with an automatic variant expected soon. Interior and features. Step inside and you'll find a major leap forward in comfort and tech. The dashboard features a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and a retro-themed instrument cluster. The legroom remains generous, true to the Ambassador's legacy of comfort. Price and market positioning. The 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ is expected to be priced between 9 to 12 Indian rupees lakhs, targeting mid-sized sedan buyers looking for a blend of heritage and practicality. It enters a competitive market but carves a niche for itself with its legacy appeal. Final thoughts. The new Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ is more than just a rebranded classic. It's a smart, stylish, and sentimental return that could redefine nostalgia on Indian roads. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more updates and test drives coming soon.